city with my team, smoking, drinking, doing our own thing. Tell me what you into, what you bring. We gon' be a problem, cause a scene. We ain't never going home. We'll be raging till the morning. We ain't never going home. We'll be raging till the morning. Tonight we getting lit.
Alright, so today what we're gonna do is actually take off the belts, or what am I gonna do actually, is take off the belts for the alternator, the water pump, the crank pulley, and the power steering. After that, I will attack this here, the crank pulley, try to take that off, loosen it up, take off all the pulleys, go after the cover, and then remove the valve covers, because I am gonna actually remove the head off the actual block and then take it from there. Don't mind the back of the garage there. I'm just still cleaning up in the process. Well, while looking at the block itself, I was thinking of painting it. As for the block, it's fairly clean. I was thinking of doing the tappets here, the freeze plugs I mean, I'm sorry, and they all look great. I'm not gonna mess with that. What am I gonna do is also replace the thermostat. I heard a couple of guys said that you don't have to use the Rb25 thermostat. You can actually use something else. I'm gonna list the information later, but right now I'm just gonna take off the cover. The back looks fairly clean, making sure everything's nice and clean there. So looks like I'm missing a bolt right here, because that one has it and this one doesn't. I covered it up earlier when I took off the intake manifold and the exhaust side, the turbo and everything. So right now, here is the turbo. I know it's sitting in a horrible spot right now. The intake manifold as well, everything's all in the pallet that it came with, so I'm gonna try to clean up a little bit, make some tables, probably this week buy a table. Overall it was a little blurry there, but yeah, it's gonna be fine. Okay, so like how you were watching, I was doing removing the cover, the pulleys, the power steering pump. I was gonna remove the bracket here off the water pump, but might as well do it at the same time as the replacing the water pump. It's not really getting in the way right now. I'm going to AutoZone right now to get a pulley puller. Hopefully I can also find a pulley, a crank pulley, because this one's a little damaged. If not, I'm gonna have to order it online. Let me know what you guys think, where I should get it from, because I'm trying to look for a good price but also something that's going to be durable, something that's going to be good for the money. So I'm not trying to cheap out also on my parts. So let me know what you guys think. I will be right back. I'm going to AutoZone real quick. Alright, so I'm using the 3-prong pulley puller. But this is actually not really for the pulley. It's just a 3-jaw puller. It's I guess it's for the pulley. I don't know what I'm talking about right now. But as for the crank pulley, look at that. It's coming out nice and easy. Taking my time. I think it's loose enough that I can actually pull it off myself. Nope, got a little bit more to go, but I'll take another video after it's done and show you guys. Alright, so I left the bolt in there without the washer so I could see how far it is, and it's off. Now it comes down to taking this off at the same time. Definitely be careful, don't lose anything. I heard those are not replaceable. So there we go. The crank dampener is removed. All right, got the timing all set. The marks are lining up. Right there. Right there. So now off comes the belt, crank the bolt, and time to remove the head shortly. All right, what a project. All right, so I took the belt off. See, there was a couple of marks on that. It's very old and dried. I need to get a new tensioner. Now this is coming off, and then I'll go after this right here. Yeah, more fun to go.
Make this moment last forever. Make this moment last forever. I didn't want you to go away. I didn't want you to feel this way. Everything that we were last forever.
Thank you guys for continuing to watch my videos. And as for this one here, the cylinder head removal was pretty fun. I definitely enjoyed doing this. As for the block itself, after the inspection process, I noticed that there was no cracks on the cylinder walls and no damage. As for stress, everything rotated pretty smoothly, so I was really happy about that. As for my parts, it came in on a good timing. Everything looks great. I'm so happy I got my CP Carrillos pistons and also the Eagle head rods. I can't wait until I put those forged items in. This is actually one sticker I wanted to share with everybody that I received here from Japan. I'll leave the link down below. It stands for RB Life. Of course, I gotta represent for Mighty Car Mods. I'm using one of their songs. It's one of my favorite songs that they actually posted on one of their videos. Once more, I just want to say like and subscribe. Definitely thank you guys. Continue watching my videos and leave comments and have fun out there.
In a party, but I'm in the back posted so nobody really noticed live. I don't know how to act. About to fill another one up in the parking lot. But I'm not a dummy, never drinking, never drive. So it's back to the party, man, I gotta get inside. I wreck you, boy, I'm reckless. Trying to lead a party, I don't stress you. Gather up my crew, being true to blessing. Have fun and live it up, that's the message.